Introduction to Resistance Bands and Osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis causes bones to become weak and more likely to fracture. Safe and regular exercise, especially with resistance bands, can help strengthen both muscles and bones. Resistance bands are gentle on joints and easy to use at home, making them an excellent choice for beginners. Let's explore how these workouts can boost bone health while keeping safety in mind.
Why resistance bands are beneficial.
Resistance bands provide adjustable tension without putting heavy stress on fragile bones. They are easy to grip and less likely to cause accidental injury. Consistent use helps improve muscle strength, balance, and flexibility. These factors are crucial for reducing fall risk and supporting daily movement for people with osteoporosis. Always select a band with low to moderate resistance to start safely.
Warm-up and safety tips.
Warming up is essential before starting any exercise. Begin with gentle movements like marching in place or shoulder rolls for 5 minutes. Wear sturdy shoes and use a supportive chair for balance if needed. Always avoid sudden jerky motions. Listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort during an exercise, stop immediately. Stay hydrated and maintain good posture throughout the workout.
Beginner resistance band exercises.
Try simple moves like bicep curls, seated rows, and leg presses with a resistance band. For a bicep curl, step on the band with both feet and curl your arms up. For a seated row, sit with legs straight, loop the band around your feet, and pull towards your waist. Leg presses can be done seated, pressing the band away from your body using your feet.
Creating a balanced routine.
For best results, perform resistance band exercises 2 to 3 times a week. Aim for 1 to 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each move. Include exercises for both the upper and lower body and allow rest days in between. Gradually increase the resistance as your strength improves. Consistency is key for building bone strength while reducing the risk of falls and fractures.
Consultation and moving forward.
Before starting any new exercise program, talk to your doctor or physical therapist, especially if you have osteoporosis or previous fractures. They can help tailor exercises to your needs and abilities. Safe resistance band workouts support healthier, stronger bones and a more active lifestyle. With proper guidance and regular practice, you can take practical steps toward better bone health.